you tired of the hassle of fumbling for buttons or struggling with awkward hand gestures just to capture a screenshot on your Xiaomi phone? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations because today I'm going to show how you can capture screenshots with swiping down with 3 fingers. So let's start, shall we? First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Once in the settings, scroll down a tiny bit and tap on Additional Settings. After that, tap on Gesture Shortcuts from here. Then tap on Take a Screenshot and toggle on Slide 3-finger down feature from here. Now, whenever you slide down the screen with 3 fingers, it will take a screenshot. Easier than using the buttons, right? So folks, that's how you turn on 3-finger screenshots on any Xiaomi phones. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Hungry for more Xiaomi related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel, cause we have got more of them coming for you. Just subscribe to the channel, cause we have got more of them coming your way. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!